We live in a remarkable time. Humanity has extended its reach beyond Earth, launching satellites into the vast expanse of space. These technological marvels have brought about incredible advancements, connecting us in ways we never thought possible. One such advancement is Starlink, a satellite internet network developed by SpaceX. Starlink aims to provide high-speed internet access to even the most remote corners of our planet. Imagine a world where geographical limitations no longer hinder our ability to connect with loved ones, access information, or pursue opportunities. This is the promise of Starlink. By creating a network of thousands of satellites in low Earth orbit, Starlink can beam internet signals to areas where traditional ground-based infrastructure struggles to reach. This revolutionary technology has the potential to bridge the digital divide, providing equal opportunities for education, healthcare, and economic growth to everyone, regardless of their location. But as with any ambitious endeavor, Starlink comes with its own set of challenges and considerations. SpaceX has already launched thousands of Starlink satellites into orbit with plans to deploy many more in the years to come. These satellites are carefully positioned to ensure global coverage, forming a constellation that wraps around our planet. Each satellite is equipped with advanced technology that allows it to communicate with ground stations and user terminals on Earth. As these satellites travel across the night sky, they can sometimes be visible to the naked eye, appearing as a train of bright lights moving in unison. While this celestial display can be a fascinating sight for some, it has also raised concerns among astronomers. The brightness of these satellites can interfere with astronomical observations, potentially hindering our ability to study the cosmos. To address these concerns, SpaceX is actively working on solutions to mitigate the brightness of its satellites. They are experimenting with different materials and coatings to reduce reflectivity and minimize their impact on astronomical research. This commitment to finding a balance between technological advancement and scientific exploration is crucial for the future of both Starlink and our understanding of the universe. The deployment of thousands of satellites into low Earth orbit is not without its risks. One concern is the increased possibility of collisions with other objects in space, such as debris from previous space missions. These collisions could create even more debris, potentially triggering a chain reaction known as the Kessler syndrome, which could make space travel and satellite operation extremely dangerous. Another concern is the potential environmental impact of these satellites. While SpaceX has stated that its satellites are designed to deorbit and burn up in the atmosphere at the end of their operational life, there are concerns about the long-term effects of these deorbiting events on the atmosphere and the environment. SpaceX is actively working to address these challenges by implementing collision avoidance maneuvers and developing sustainable practices for satellite design and disposal. They are also collaborating with the scientific community to monitor the environmental impact of their operations and find ways to minimize any potential harm. The future of Starlink holds immense potential. As the network expands, it has the power to connect millions of people who currently lack access to reliable and affordable internet. This will open up a world of opportunities, empowering individuals, communities, and entire nations. From remote education and telemedicine to economic growth and disaster relief, the possibilities are endless. However, the success of Starlink will depend not only on its technological capabilities, but also on our ability to address the challenges it presents. By working together, we can ensure that Starlink fulfills its promise of bridging the digital divide while preserving the integrity of our night sky and the sustainability of our space environment. As we venture further into the cosmos, let us remember that our endeavors should always be guided by a sense of responsibility and a commitment to the well-being of our planet and all its inhabitants. The future of space exploration, like the future of Starlink, depends on our ability to balance technological innovation with environmental stewardship and social equity. Let us strive to create a future where the stars are not only a source of wonder, but also a beacon of hope for a more connected and equitable world.